Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hey guys, this is John at Jeepster Man. Today we're going to talk about the lift kit that we're making for the flat fenders. It's a 2-inch lift, so you get about 2 inches in the front, you get about 3 in the rear on this thing. So these are US made springs. We just have kind of completed this kit here. I stuck it on this one. Many of these use different shackles and such, so we need to know which shackles you're using on this. But you know, a lot of manufacturers aren't making these lift kits any longer. We decided we wanted to reproduce these. We were already making these lift kits for Jeepster Commandos, Willys pickups, trucks, the station wagons, so we figured definitely want to make them for the flat fenders as well. So you can find this on our website, thejeepsterman.com. You can email us if you've got questions, sales@thejeepsterman.com. Thanks.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.